Hello everyone. So in this lecture, let's learn what is linear regression. So linear regression is a supervised machine learning algorithm. Remember this one. So it is a supervised machine learning algorithm which is generally used to predict continuous numeric values by finding a straight line on a graph between input variables and output values using the historical training data. So basically this is a graph and this is a straight line between the input variables and output values. So what is linear regression? So it predicts continuous numerical values using linear relationship. Okay. So now why linear regression is used? So it is used to estimate trends and the future numeric outcomes. And now where linear regression is used? So linear regression is used for sales forecasting, it is used in finance, it is used in stock markets, and it is used in market analytics. So basically it is used in data analytics. Okay, so this is what linear regression is.